Hi everyone, this is Lisa. I'm going to show you some simple ways to make a PowerPoint. I asked you for your next presentation to create a PowerPoint with 3 slides about your favorite place to accompany your presentation. One of those slides needs to be a map of the location of the place, and the others can be any pictures that you want. So I'm going to show you how I would do this. The first thing you need to do is find the images that you want. Now, you might have images that you already have on your computer, images that you took on your camera or your phone. But for many of you, you're probably going to have to find images on the internet. So I'm going to come down here to my Start menu. Click on the Start menu. I'm going to open up the internet. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Google. And let's imagine that I'm going to do the beach in Alameda as one of my favorite places. So the name of the beach in Alameda is Crown Memorial State Beach. And this is the regular Google result page. And you can see right here that it's on web. If you click on images, then you'll get all kinds of pictures that you can choose from. So here's a good one right here that shows a map. So I'm going to click on the image. Then I'm going to click on View Image, which will take me to a new screen. I'm going to keep my cursor here over the image, and I'm going to right-click on my mouse, and I'm going to select Save Picture As. And then just so that it's easy for me to find, I always keep it on my desktop. So this says Crown State Beach Map, and it's saved as a GIF file. Save. Okay. Now I'm going to go back to the rest of the images, and I will continue scrolling. Let's see. I think I like this image from Yelp. View Image. Hover over the image with my cursor. Right-click, Save Picture As. Again on my desktop, I'm going to call this Crown Beach 1. Okay. Excuse me while I exit that out. Okay. I'm going to go back, and I'm going to find one more image. Okay, how about this one of the marina and the view of San Francisco in the back. So I will click on that, View Image, right-click, Save Picture As. I'll call this one Crown Beach 2. Save. And again, you can see that I'm saving this to my desktop, but you can save it anywhere you want. Save. Okay. I've got my 3 images now. I'm going to exit. And now I'm going to go back here to my Start menu and select PowerPoint. Okay, I'm going to make it bigger. Great. So I said that you can have 3 slides. So I'm going to select right here. I'm on the Home tab. You can see that there's many different tabs here. I'm on the Home tab, and I want to add 2 more slides to make a total of 3. So I'm going to click 1, 2. Okay, great. So this is my title slide, and you can do this any way you want. Crown Memorial State Beach. And then if you hover over the box, you can see that it becomes this 4-arrowed star. That will allow me to drag the box up by holding down my mouse. And then down here, maybe I'm going to write Alameda, California. Can make that smaller. Now let me show you how to insert a picture. It's best not to copy paste straight from the internet. It's best to save the picture and then insert it. So up here you have the tab file, the tab home. I'm going to click on the tab insert and I want to insert a picture. So I click on picture. Now my computer automatically defaults to libraries pictures, but if you remember I saved it to my desktop. So I'm going to click on desktop here on the left and I'll click on this one. Okay. And I can move this around by simply hovering over the image and clicking on the left button on my mouse. And if I wanted to make it a little bit bigger, I can grab the corner and drag and move it around. Okay, that looks good. Then I can click on slide number 2 and I want to insert my next picture. So I click insert, picture, and the view of San Francisco. And I can cover this box too. I don't need that. Great. Nice. Then I'm going to click on slide 3, insert, picture, and I've got my map. Now, you can do the order of this any way that you want. For example, I have the picture number 1, picture number 2, and the map as number 3. But if I want, I can simply grab this slide number 3 by putting my mouse over, my cursor over the image and clicking down on the left side of my mouse. And then I can drag it up, for example, right there. So I can order it any way I want, or maybe I want this one down here, or maybe I want this one up here. I can do that any way you want. When you finally have your images inserted, you go to File, Save, and then save it wherever you want. I like to save things to my desktop that I'm working on. So I will call this Crown Beach Presentation number 2 ESL. Save. And that's it. And you are finished. I can close that out. So if you have any questions, please let me know. I can't click the stop part.